Many candidates stuck during the interview question when interviewer asked how much salary you are expecting. It's a bit stressful question and sometimes candidate not able to answer properly. Or some say as you like, some say as per industry norms, and some offers 20% hike from my last salary or 30%. But believe me, if you pick all these answers, you will definitely gonna miss the chance to be selected. You will fail. Interviewers say in response to you, you can leave now. Thanks for applying and attending the interview. Next candidate please. So please stay tuned with me till end because here I am going to give you sample answer and tricks how can you approach to this question very well and effectively. So let's deep into dive. Here I will give you the step-by-step guide to help you negotiate a salary package and potentially secure a high salary. Here I will discuss all the things in 3 parts. In first part I will discuss what to research and prepare well perform in interview. Second, how to responding to the offers, means what to do after mentioning the salary range in the interview. Third, I will provide you sample answer for this question. During interview, negotiating for a higher salary can be a delicate process, but with the right approach, you can effectively advocate for the compensation you deserve. First is you can do the research and preparation before going to the interview. You need to keep in mind these 3 things. First, market research. Second, understand your value. And the third, know the company. If we talk about the market research, before going to the interview, research about the company. It is very important. Understand the market rate for your position. Compare it what other company is paying to their employee for the same position. You can take help to gather data from the different websites like Glassdoor, PayScales and LinkedIn, etc. Salary Insight can give you a good idea of the average salary for your role. Second is understand your value. Assess your skills, experience and achievement to understand what you bring to the table. Make a list of accomplishments and see how you can add value to the company. Mention specific achievements and skills that sets apart from you from the other candidate. For example, in my previous role, I implemented a new marketing strategy that increased sales by 25% in 6 months. So be ready to articulate how your unique qualifications justify a higher salary. This demonstrates your impact and justifies your salary request. And the third is know the company. Research the company financial health and compensation practice. This can give you insight into your flexibility and constraint. During the interview, when the topic of salary comes up, be confident but flexible. Respond to this question by saying, based on my research and value I can bring to the team, I believe a fair salary range for this position would be between for the X amount to the X amount. Provide a suitable range between X to Y. Provide a range, not a fixed number. This shows that you are open to negotiation while setting your expectations. So first point is completed here. Now come to the second thing, what you do after mentioning the salary range. After mentioning the salary range, wait for the offer. Ideally, wait until you receive a job offer before discussing salary. This ensures that the company is committed to hiring you and gives you a stronger negotiation process. After mentioning a salary range, wait for the offer. Ideally, wait until you receive a job offer before discussing salary. This ensures that the company is committed to hiring you and gives you a stronger negotiating position. Before negotiating, express your excitement about the role and the company. This shows that you are genuinely interested and helps maintain a positive tone. So responding to the offers in this, you might face three situations. Either accept the offer, whatever the company is offering you. Second, negotiate the offer. And the third, decision time. Let's see one by one in detail. If the company meets your expectations, express your gratitude and enthusiasm. Confirm the agreed upon terms in writing. If the offer is lower than expected rate, don't be afraid to negotiate. You can negotiate by handling counter offers. And what is handling counter offers? It means evaluate the entire package. Consider other elements of the compensation package such as benefits, bonus, stock options, and work-life balance. Sometimes these can be negotiated even if the salary is not negotiable. And be flexible. If the employer cannot meet your salary expectations, explore other options like additional vacation days, flexible work hours, and professional development opportunities. If the offer is still below your expectations, decide if you are willing to accept it or not. You need to continue your job search. Be prepared to make these decisions based on your priorities and financial needs. But in last, once you reach an agreement, ensure that the final offer is documented in a formal offer letter or contract. Review the document carefully to confirm all the terms are agreed. Now come to the very important part of this video, sample answers to this question. You can say something like, "Thank you for the offer. Based on my experiences and the current market rate, I was expecting something to closer to amount Y. Is there any flexibility in your budget?" So you have to speak very politely and in a professional way. Answer it by showing that you value the opportunity but also understand your worth. And that's an easy way to negotiate salary. Remember, negotiation is about finding a balance between your needs and the company's budget. So be confident, do your research, and clearly communicate your value. You can pick this sample answer. Thank you for your offer. I'm very excited about the opportunity to join the company. Based on my research and my specific skills and experiences, I believe a salary of, you can mention the desired salary amount, is more aligned with the market value for this role. I'm confident that my background in this area will contribute significantly to the company. Could we discuss this further? I understand that the initial offer might be limited. Can we explore options for increasing the base salary or discuss additional benefits such as list the potential benefits like signing bonus, extra vacation days, or flexible working conditions? So like this, you can frame your answer to this question. Negotiating a salary is about finding a balance that satisfies both you and the employer. By being well prepared, confident, and flexible, you can effectively advocate for a salary that reflects your value while maintaining a positive and professional relationship with your potential employer. So good luck with your next interview. If you found this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more career tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.